If you're planning to get your driving license in Pakistan, this guide is for you. I'm a traffic warden, and I've helped hundreds of people through this process. Let's walk through it step by step so you can pass with confidence. First, understand the types of licenses: motorcycle, MC, car, Jeep, LTV, commercial vehicle, HTV, public service vehicle, PSV. All categories require a theory test, though the practical may vary slightly. Here's the application process. Apply online via DLIMS, book a token appointment, get biometric verification at your licensing center, pass an eye test and medical, take the theory test, and finally, the practical test. Usually L-shape, sometimes S-shape. Theory test details: 10-15 questions from a pool of 200 plus. Passing requires 5-10 correct answers. Topics include signs, laws, ethics, penalties. Practice at www.signtest.pk. For the practical test, start the car properly. Seatbelt, mirrors, gear, drive smoothly in your lane. Obey all signs and signals. Avoid overspeeding. Practice reverse parking and S. Turn in advance. Stay calm. Nerves lead to mistakes. Common mistakes to avoid: missing documents, no practice with reverse or S-turn, arguing with the examiner, overconfidence or carelessness, not bringing your own vehicle if required. Final advice: come prepared, not just hopeful. Road signs aren't just for the test, they're for life. Respect the traffic staff. We're here to help you. If you fail, learn, correct, and try again. FAQs. Can I apply online for a learner permit? Yes, via dlimspunjab.gov.pk. When can I take the driving test? After 42 days. Is the theory test hard? Not if you prepare well online. Can I use someone else's vehicle? Yes, if it's roadworthy with complete documents. How soon can I reappear if I fail? After 15 days. Prepare well, drive safe, and good luck.